Welcome to the Incy alphabet, bite-sized lettering tutorials for your busy life. We are going to be making an elegant serif style D, and it's also going to be bejeweled with jewels that we're going to create. Today we're going to set up our D, and this is going to involve, like I love for everything else, guidelines. Sketch out for yourself a line along the bottom of your page. Oh, and somewhere scribble on it so that it doesn't have to be perfect. And then also a line up towards the top of your page. These should be pretty much parallel to the top and bottom of your sheet. Now you want to create the vertical lines, but we're not going to put them straight up and down vertical because that can sometimes make your letter look playful. It doesn't look quite as elegant. So we are going to instead put those at an angle. So draw two diagonal lines beside one another. They should be straight. This first one was not. And your second one should be placed a fair distance away. Remember, we're going to be embellishing within these letters, so we need to have enough space to place those embellishments. You also want to make your next line the exact same, or, roughly, angle as this one that you drew here. You can use a trick of turning your page so that one angle you'd be pulling the pencil towards yourself, towards your belly button, and then doing the same for the next. So turn your page so you'll be pulling it towards your belly button. And it went a little crooked at the end, but our box here is a very nice rhombus. You are now going to trace out your D. So this line serves as the backbone for our D. That's great, it's already there. And then this portion here is going to be the serif of the D. That means that extra little bit that sometimes shows up on some of those letters, and it's almost like a little part that you could pick the letter up with. You're going to draw in the rest of your D, and it's going to come out to this line here, follow that line for approximately a third of the way, and then curve back into the bottom. Now that we have our lines where they should be, we are going to add in just the base of the diamond. So the way you want to do this is draw a midline right across your letter. So if you were to fold your letter in half, that's right where you would be folding. And that is the area where you will have two jewels. You're going to draw a triangle from your midline into your letter on the top and the bottom to create a diamond shape. Do that on both sides of your letter. Now, this one is quite large, so if you don't have enough space to do large ones, you probably do want to make them matching, so scaling it down a little bit might be helpful. Once you have your jewels in there, you're going to draw the diamond or the kite shape into it, and mine has a lot of extra pencil, so you can always go in and erase any extra thickness you might have to your pencil. Put this aside for next day when we're going to add our downstrokes and make sure that we account for these jewels right here.